Hi guys, what's up? Today I have a new tutorial for you. I hope you like it. Subscribe for more tutorials. Search for the sand.
I am broken, words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm
From duplicate section, duplicate the sand again.
I got lost in summer feelings. Now I can't seem to find my way to breathe. Need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't
Duplicate the sand as possible as you can to seem natural to you.
be the one for you.
Go to the sticker and search for the word black shadow.
Trying not to let go of my pride, but every time
I add the black shadow to use it for the subject's shadow on the sand.
this feeling that I have deep down inside, I just wanna be the one you
Go to the sticker again and search for the sea.
need. You by my side, I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time.
I reduce the opacity to see better, so I can adjust the sea to become behind the subject. Okay, I want to tell you a tip. I made a mistake and it remained a tiny little part of the background of my subject. So the thing you should do is to go to the tools and then clone part and select the area you want to clone it, and with the brush tool clone the part you want. Add the water droplet to your image.
Got drunk off your lie, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug.
I add water droplets to the subject to seem she is wet, because she is next to the sea and I want to show that she is go to the water and come back to the beach and still has water droplet in her face. Hit the water droplet and editing part will be shown, and go to the shadow and reducing opacity and adjusting blur. Do it as possible as you can to seem natural.
I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you. I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side of the moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger. I'm stronger.
Add water droplet from the sticker section to put it on the sand.
I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a
Add black shadow for the shadow of the sand.
de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Would you
Thanks for watching.